So, hello everybody. We pause this. So, success to significant. What do you mean by this? When you have lot of money and all the things that you have received in your life, what do you crave for then? If it is not purpose, not meaning, not legacy, then what do you live for? That is the second climb. So, when you are a high achiever, when you are very successful, that is when you think of significance. Have you heard of Tony Robbins? His students are millionaires and billionaires. What do they want? What are they seeking? So, one day you will be a millionaire or a billionaire too. Do you believe that? If you believe that, who you are now? So I am asking for myself. I am asking myself in the mirror who I am now. So the noise that we are surrounded by, that is the noise to knowing. Knowing who am I right now. So there can be a guided visualization. There can be journaling and sharing. There can be a framing inside. Something that you are experiencing today that can be reframed into an affirmation, into a visualization, described into your journaling and sharing session. You can share that with anybody. And if you are not very comfortable, then also you can tell it to yourself. Then the success and significance work. You are going to create a lasting significance with your self evaluation and aspiration. The idea is, are you not the same person that you are dreaming to be one day? This exercise will be helpful in your being that right now. In the part two, the compass. What is emerging? From doing to meaning. We are comfortable in taking action. In our action, is there a meaning? So, if ultimately we are going to create a legacy, Then these are the three paths of legacy creation. You will guide others, you will create intellectual property, or you will lead a movement. Each path represents a unique approach to lasting impact. Second exercise will be legacy reflection. You will deliberate on two questions. What stories must I now give away? What work must I do before I go? This depends clarity and personal meanings. Third is mapping legacy. This will be very abstract because legacy happens when you are not there anymore. Till you are there, what do? You only create segments of deep work that is meaningful for you and to the world. It is very beneficial for the world and you. So that is the mapping work you have to do all the while still you are there. Then the fourth is the sharing. In your mastermind, you gain feedback, you gain encouragement, you inspiration you get from each other's journey. And then call to action and next steps, clarity to commitment. How do you do that? You commit to make that shift every day. And you create one identity table for yourself. This is the pathway to create and to be the person. The hard step that we missed is the doorway. What is next? Clarity to commitment, the everyday action point that you need to take. You design your legacy. What do? You structure opportunities for yourself. Write down what all you expect in your dream of things, scheme of things. You do your transformation journey bit by bit as you awaken from being a high achiever to a legacy maker. Choose your future self, who that person will. And every day you mirror yourself in the mirror take that exercise every day and tell yourself that you are the person who is making that difference all the while, each time. Each time that she takes that decision, the action, and feels with lot of emotion that she is becoming the person of her dream. So, how do you feel about this second climb? The climb that you have already made. Now, you are going to experience this and much more. Hope this will be helpful to you and you will take up this exercise. We will see with more deliberation in the next day, next time that we meet. Thank you.